Welcome to Skill Header Web Login System Forgot Password functionality. This is the 7th part of the advanced web login system using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL Server. If you have not watched the previous videos of the series, please click on the I button above or the link in the description. You can visit skillheader.com for the project source codes and blog posts. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon, like, and comment on the video.
Let me adjust the size for ease. We will copy some elements from the previous code to save time. Create a new PHP file with the name of forgot password and insert default HTML tags. Copy the head section code from the previous change password file, including the local CSS, Bootstrap 5 CSS links, and style CSS tag. Copy the top section under the body tag, including the image tag, heading, and the first username input box and label. Let's complete the closing tags for the form and the section. We will include the message PHP link later. We need 4 input boxes on our forgot password page. The username, verification code, new password, and verified password. Copy the same submit button and the bottom reference code from the previous file. we have to update the forgot password reference in the login form. Let's test the form design that we have created so far. Start the PHP section to input and update the data into the MySQL table. We will use the username test_user for this purpose. I entered the wrong verification code, but there is no message appeared. If you remember, the PHP reference code to the message we removed must be restored. Copy the code from the previous one. Very good, it is working now. Let's copy the actual code and test if the password is successfully changed. It's okay, the password has been changed. It would be better if the login button appeared with the alert message. To do this, we will update the alert message within the PHP. Very good, the alert message has been updated. As you can see, the password has been changed successfully. If you have noticed that the password mask is not working in the password input boxes, we need to determine the password mask type in the input code. Everything is working perfectly. In the next video, we will create the user profile and account management from the admin user. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. See you in the next video.